Alright guys, today is December 22nd. Survived the apocalypse and got to wake up to a pleasant little surprise this morning, and that was some snow. Obviously not a lot. And it's all melted off the driveway, and it's probably all going to be gone by tomorrow. But enough to, make stuff white, which is pretty nice to wake up to. So, the Suburbans haven't been started in 2 weeks. Because like I said in my update video, there's just nothing going on. So we're going to crank these guys up, 2 of them, because the SS16, like I said, needs a brass float. But we're going to crank up the 18.6, and then we're going to see if we can crank up the 19.9 as well. Here, I'll set you down. We'll get a startup clip. This thing should fire right up, always does. Let's see what we get. Half throttle, full choke. So that's pretty cool. And then, I don't know if there's a key in this or not. Oh, alright, so I'm going to put you down, and I imagine this one's going to start not quite as well as the 18.6. It usually starts a little harder when it's cold. Half throttle, full choke. So that's those two. You know what? I wasn't going to do this, but I think we'll get the keys for the truck. Hook that up as well. That'll be a nice cold start. Even quick. Boom. So, let me see. It snowed last night. It had to be at least 32 degrees. It's 33 right now, so I would assume it got down to probably somewhere in the area of maybe 20 last night. Truck not plugged in. New glow plugs. Bosch, or no, not Bosch, AC Delco 60G. This thing sounds pretty badass when it's cold. An exhaust clip for you. Yep, so those are the 3 runners right now. Probably gonna spend some Christmas money on brass float for the SS16 so I can actually use it. But that's gonna do it for me today, guys. As far as starts, I don't know, I might be going out to do some errands later. I might bring my camera with me. Who knows? But anyway, thanks for watching, and take care.